certainly seems to be full of Sonam's co-stars tonight. Yes, Sonam's men are certainly in season, especially this particular co-star who's made it to India's most desirable. But just who does he think is the most desirable? Well, Ranbir Kapoor from the looks of it. Well, I'm certainly a very lucky woman because today I'm in truly desirable company. I'm with Simi Garewal, the lovely Simi Garewal, and the lovelier Shahid Kapoor. I have to say that, the gorgeous Shahid Kapoor. Congratulations, ma'am. It's great to actually have you back on screen again. We've really been looking forward to it. And Shahid, what was it like being on this show, India's most desirable? Flattering, obviously.
Yes, very flattering, and I feel very honored to be here in the company of the wonderful Simi ji. And we had a fun time. I think we had a really fun episode, and it flew by actually. So yes, very privileged, very happy.
What do you think means desirable really? And is there anyone you particularly find desirable?
Oh no, so sweet. I love him.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think it's just it feels cool to be considered desirable, and it's a nice feeling. I don't know what the qualities are, and I think it's best when you don't know. I think when you know about it and then you start, then you get fake and you start like, I don't know. It's just nicer just to know that people like you and you're considered desirable, but more important to stay yourself.
Absolutely. And is there any particular, obviously we've seen the promos of India's Most Desirable, is there any particular episode you're looking forward to, Shahid?
All of them, actually, all of them. I think you're starting off with Ranbir's episode.
That's right.
So I'm sure that'll be fun. He's a fun dude. And I'm sure all of them will be very interesting because they all have their own particular place and they all have their own uniqueness.
Absolutely.
So I'm looking forward to seeing all of them actually.
Okay. And you're a very lucky woman, ma'am, obviously, because you have been spending so much of time with India's Most Desirable.
Such gorgeous people.
Such gorgeous men. It's been difficult to choose, but, obviously, who's been the one who surprised you the most really on this show so far?
First and foremost, there's no contest. This is not a contest show,
that's true.
This is just India's Most Desirable. I have to say, Shahid, I've never met before.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is the first time I met and talked to him. So for me, it was a complete new discovery. You understand? A lot of the other people, I do know them and we've had an interaction and I know a lot of what they're about. But this guy, I mean, just blew my mind today. I never expected it. I have to say, I expected Shahid to be, very reserved and, sedate.
Well, that's what everyone kind of thinks of you. Isn't that true?
You think? Wait till you see the show. Wait till you see this show.
Maybe it's the Mawsam that we're in, right, Shahid, that's making you awesome?
Yes, it's awesome actually. It's wonderful weather.
You just stuck that in there.
No, but I must say that I felt very comfortable. And when you do an interview with someone and you do a chat show, it's very important to feel comfortable. And I was made to feel very comfortable, and I felt like I could speak naturally without being pushed into any corner anywhere. And maybe that's why I was as open as I was. And so yeah, so thank you for that.
We're going to see a whole new side to Shahid in this interview. Do you think? Are people going to be very surprised?
I believe they will be utterly surprised. They will see, I mean, this is what I feel. I feel they will see a completely new side. And if he's got 10 million fans, he will have 100 million fans after this because he was just so terrific. I mean, you should have seen the way my college audience reacted to him. If that is anything to go by, then the public is all yours.
Okay, well, get set to fall in love with Simi and obviously with Shahid once again on India's Most Desirable.